Welcome back MH Car Review everyone. Today we're diving into something truly unbelievable, the Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the brand that defines hypercar luxury and engineering perfection, has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and it's every bit as insane, futuristic, and luxurious as you'd expect from the Bugatti name. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving palace on wheels, a masterpiece that blends speed-inspired design with the comfort of a five-star suite. Let's take a closer look at what makes this machine so extraordinary. Starting with the exterior, the Bugatti Motorhome is a perfect fusion of power and elegance. At first glance, you're greeted with the signature Bugatti front grille, the same iconic horseshoe design that you see on the Chiron and Veyron, but scaled up to fit this massive luxury beast. The aerodynamic body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, giving it a futuristic yet sophisticated stance. The LED headlights are razor-sharp, while the sculpted sides and large panoramic windshield add to its aggressive and commanding look. The entire body sits low to the ground, giving it a sporty feel unlike any other motorhome. Massive alloy wheels with the Bugatti emblem and customized tires complete the look, while the elegant blend of white and carbon fiber accents makes it look like it's ready to hit a racetrack rather than a campsite. The rear of the vehicle continues the futuristic theme with sleek LED tail lamps, chrome detailing, and multiple air vents to keep this massive engine cool. Every inch of the exterior screams exclusivity, sophistication, and raw power. Now stepping inside, this is where the magic truly happens. The Bugatti Motorhome offers an interior that feels like a private jet combined with a luxury yacht. The cabin is designed with the finest materials, genuine leather, polished wood trims, carbon fiber panels, and ambient LED lighting that can be customized to your mood. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with a luxurious lounge area that includes recliner-style leather seats, a built-in entertainment system, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The driver's cockpit looks like something straight out of a spaceship, with a fully digital display, a futuristic steering wheel inspired by the Chiron, and top-tier driving assists. Moving towards the living area, you'll find a spacious setup featuring a large sofa, dining table, and even a 4K entertainment system integrated into the wall. The kitchen area is fully equipped with premium appliances, from an induction cooktop to a compact fridge, microwave, and designer cabinets. The bedroom feels like a high-end hotel suite, complete with a king-size bed, luxurious bedding, and hidden storage compartments. And yes, there's even a spa-like bathroom with marble finishes, a full-size shower, and heated flooring. Every inch of the Bugatti Motorhome's interior reflects perfection, ensuring maximum comfort and elegance even when you're miles away from home. Now, let's talk performance. Bugatti is not a brand that compromises on power, and even this motorhome is rumored to pack an incredible engine, possibly a modified version of Bugatti's W16 or a hybrid system delivering massive horsepower.